Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we're going to discuss about changing your name on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the FIFA mobile game for the first time, you will go through the basic tutorial levels. After completing these levels, you will be allowed to set up your username and choose your home team that you wish to play as. After you have entered your username within this screen, then if you wish to change it later, then you will need to gain a lot of experience and need to have reached at least level 20. After you have reached this level, you can just tap on your user ID from the homepage at the top left. And now from the player profile menu, just tap on the edit button alongside your username. Once you do this, you will be able to type in your desired username. Just type in the name that you wish to use, and then you can tap on the confirm button in order to confirm the name that you have just set. You may also be required to use a name change token, which you will be provided one for free. And after this, you will need to wait for at least 24 hours in order to change your name in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.